Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you how to set up my tent. It's a very kind of easy setup. I had it for like 2 to 3 years. It's a 3-man tent. It's more like a 2-man tent, I would say, inside. But if you really want to fit 3 people in, you can. Yeah, super easy to set up. I'm gonna show you how. Now first, I'm gonna put this underneath, just to keep it really nice and dry. It's pretty flat in here, so I don't have issue. I think I'm gonna want my view that side because it's nice and calm, and I'm gonna put the tent this way. Yeah. So I don't roll it up normally because I just put it in my little trolley. So what I just do, I just fold it so you don't actually use that much space when you kind of press it down, so it's much better to carry it around and stuff. And then, yeah, I think it's gonna be perfect this way. Maybe this is an even flatter area here. Perfect. And you will see when I put the tent up, if you want to change the tent's position or the view, that you can literally just pick it up and then turn it around. So I'll see how I feel. The ground seems to be nice and soft, so I shouldn't have any issue putting the pegs down. Yeah, easy. I didn't bring any hammer or anything because I was like, maybe I can just find a rock or something to push these down, but I think it's gonna be working just with my shoes. Yeah, easy. It's a really easy one. I'm just gonna do 4 first, just in case I have to move it. Probably will, but I'm not sure. Okay. Right, next up, I'm gonna put the bottom first. Just kind of lay it out how you want it. Oh, actually, I have 2 sides open here, so which is good. 2 windows basically on each side, so I'm gonna have view on each side. I don't know how I forgot about that, to be honest. Okay, so this is the tent. It's just very easy to carry, that's why I chose it. I used to have a much bigger tent, but that was too heavy, way too heavy. Next up, this is a super easy frame because it's like a magnetic one. So you get, it kind of goes like that by itself, and you just carry on doing it. It's kind of self-explanatory, to be honest with you, because everything just go like that. Why is it doing that? Okay, and then you have these. And that one should be in the middle. This one should go in the middle. That's the last one. I just have to look for the middle thing. So this is the middle one here. First go in here. The other part goes here. And then all you need to do, plug these ones on. You can see it's already almost done. I just need to do the sides and that's it. I thought it was gonna be much windier here, to be honest, but because the water is literally just over that bridge, which I'm gonna go for a walk maybe later today or tomorrow morning. Am I missing one? Not sure. Oh, no, it's here. Yep, found it. Okay. And then we have this side. Missing something on this side. Okay. Should be coming together. Yes. Now I'm just gonna do the corners. Okay, and then one more. See the issue? This one has to go this way. Yeah. Here we go. Base is done. Oh, it's heavy. Nice. And then I'm gonna leave a little kind of you can step out here, because normally I just put my shoes in here and stuff, so I don't step on the wet grass or anything. You can do the same on the other side as well if you want. Well, because the food stuff and the fire is going to be that side, I'm just going to leave this here for now. And if I want to move the tent by the fire more, I can just do that later, because it's going to be super easy to move. And then I'm going to put put this one on now, which is gonna be a challenge. Okay, we're gonna put this one on top now. It's a little bit windy, so I might have a little struggle here, but I'm pretty sure I can figure it out. Have like these little straps here, which you can just put there. Wrong. I just have to find that after I did it wrong. Alright, just need to turn it a little bit and I'm good to go. Go from here. Just go on the side. Yeah. Here we go. Better, much better. Right, gonna get some pegs down now. I don't want to peg down obviously this tarp. So you can use the tarp obviously to extend your tent if you like, or you can just put it underneath. I don't need to extend the tent. I'm only staying for a day, well 2 days, but that should be enough. I don't really need to extend it, it's fine. But you can do that too if you want. I'm gonna go around. Then one last one. Some bugs in here like I've never seen before. Go away, buddy. Yeah, I'm only gonna do just 4 just to secure it now, because I'm not sure if I want to stay here. I'm also thinking maybe put the tent next to the fire maybe for the evening because it's gonna be a lot colder. So I don't know yet. We'll see. All I'm gonna do now is put the mattress inside. So that's all pumped up and it's all done. And everything else, it's not raining or anything, so everything else can stay out for now. And then once I decide what I want to put the tent for the night, I will pack everything inside. So I'm just gonna open this up now. I have a small issue with this tent, that I like to keep these like really tight, but there is only one little strap in here which doesn't really do much. So I think I'm gonna have to, because it's gonna come down, you will see later on, because of the wind and everything. Like, just have to, like, sometimes I just give an extra hold with my hair bubbles and stuff. And yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna open this up. Oh, I miss this one so much. Also this one as well I have an issue with. Like, this is gonna fall down as well because I only have one strap, so I don't know. It's a feedback for that. Okay, and then let me put my little mattress in. So this is a brand new one. I used to have a grey one, not from the same company, so I want to see how this one goes. This is a little heavier than the other one was, but I also think it might be slightly better quality, but the other one I used for, like, I don't know, 5 years I reckon, so pretty good. This one is from yeah, I can't really tell you. Sleeping pad user manual, that's all it says. But I can get the link under my video for this. I got it from Amazon, but I put the link below where I got it from exactly. So this is super cool because all you need to do, you don't need the pump or anything like that. So this is the same concept that I used to have the other one. So I don't want to carry any pumps or anything. I don't want to work on it for too long. So all you need to do is you just basically plug these in, and there is a little foot pump station. So all you need to do is with your foot, you're just gonna like press on it for a few times and it will blow out in like a minute or two. Super cool. So I'm gonna put it in the tent and I'm gonna take you inside and I'll show you how to pump it up. I'm gonna take my boots off because I don't like to go into the tent with boots, and I'm gonna have to pump. See these bugs, man? I've never seen them before, this kind. But we are by the water, so it's normal. They have bugs. Okay. Right. If you come inside, I'm gonna show you. Well, this is the first time, obviously, I'm gonna do this one, but the other one was super easy. So this is a double mattress with pillows, yeah? So I first need to check which. So these ones you have to plug in. Make sure you plug it nice and tight so you don't wake up in the middle of the night for a flat mattress. Yeah, the other one had the same on both sides. You plug it in. I don't use the user manual because I think it's pretty like self-explanatory what you're gonna have to do. So use steps, open the inflator, close throughout outside, put your foot on, press the inflator. Okay. already going. It's so awkward in here. My foot is like falling off it. I like to do it with my hand, to be honest. The other one was a little bit softer in this side, so I kind of like that. But I think this one is gonna be okay too. Normally it takes like a good minute or two. So you are nice and warm. So you don't have to use any pump whatsoever. Getting there. Should be nice and comfortable as well. This pump don't let the air out, okay? So the only way that you can deflate it is when you unplug those two in the pillows, and that's the only way to deflate it. So even if you leave it like this, it's not gonna deflate if you leave this open. So it's super good. Sorry for the funny noise. I really should do it with my feet, but it's just I feel easier with my hands. The pillows are getting up as well. The good thing is you only have to do this once. You do it for like 2 minutes and then you sort it for the night, or however night you want to stay, really. I'm like doing CPR, you know. Actually, if you do CPR, that has to be like this. Staying alive. Should I sing the Staying Alive, you know, for CPR? Look at that. That looks fantastic. It's really, really nice. I think I'm gonna do the CPR bit because it's just easier to put my body weight on it instead of just pushing it. Yeah, it's getting pretty fun. I want to see how it feels when I sleep on it. The other one I used to have, it was more like stripes. That was very comfortable as well. But you know, I think this will be really good. I think this is it. Yeah, I think this is gonna be really comfortable. There we go. Okay. All right, let me lie on it to see how it feels. Oh, oh, it feels great. You can go like this, go this way. You can have someone with you, you know. I also don't like the single ones because the single ones are super narrow. So I like to be warm. It's not mainly the comfort, but I love to be warm when I camp because I think that's the number one thing that you have to be, you know, sure of, that you're not gonna be freezing, you're not gonna be, you know, miserable, because when you're miserable, like, you know, that's gonna take, you know, a lot out of you. Like, you're not gonna enjoy yourself, and also, you know, you can become ill, and you know, you just kind of get all the good feelings, the fun, you know, out of that. So I just like to be comfortable, you know. This is very doable, you know, if you're backpacking. I don't drive, so I just got my little trolley and my backpack, and that's it. You know, I get on the train and I go wherever I want to go, so it's great. so I'm obviously limited on spaces. That's why I need to make sure that I don't have to bring extra pump and things like that. So this is a perfect solution for it. I'm not sure why it's coming out, but whatever. So yeah, perfect solution for it. I have my little pillow, blanket, sleeping bag from home, so I'm gonna put that in later as well. Yeah, so super good. Feels really comfy right now. I'm gonna have to let you guys know how I feel in the morning, obviously, because I might be like, oh my god, it's not good. But yeah, I'm pretty positive so far. So the basic is done now, the tent is up. I can move it if I want to, just take out the 4 pegs from the corners. But I will see, and also I want to see how windy it is in the night and where the wind blows the fire, because you don't want to be too close to the fire when it's obviously we are by the water, so it's gonna be a lot windier than, you know, in the city or whatever. So I just want to wait and see once I put the fire up what's gonna be like. And yeah, let's go outside.